Why are you doing this? Can you go away?
No, come on, man.
Go away.
Hey,
Go
come
away.
on, man. Now here's somebody who's going to get really mad at me for taking her picture.
No, I don't want my picture taken.
What? You want your picture taken, Coco? What do you think? Huh? That's my dog, Coco. As you can see, here's a pile of old man panel products. You probably recognize some of these. There's my dying lawn. Not looking too good. But that's because I'm doing my part. Saving water for Palm Beach County in the middle of this drought. I'm pitching in. Right. Is this cool or what? This is me going into the Palm Beach Post to write the man pan a call. It's me. See the camera? Can't see the camera.
We're stealing his soul.
You want me to review it?
Yeah.
You could, for $100, you can buy still like a Nikon. I found it online. $100 takes movies just as good as this, and you can use it more than once.
Oh, there you have it.